Hello YouTube family, welcome to another episode on Finance with Lance, and in today's video I'll be walking through my entire investment portfolio and I'll be sharing my intended investment strategy for 2022. Stay tuned. Two of the reasons why I decided to share my portfolio is one, to share my biases. All investors have various biases. And number two, I'm sharing to give some persons the courage who are waiting on the sideline, because you can start, no matter how small your capital is, you can start and grow your capital. Two quick disclaimers today. These holdings are not recommendation. The timing might not be suitable to buy right now, or they might not fit your objective or your goals. And number two, I am not a financial advisor. These are just my opinions and my holdings I'm just merely sharing with you. So my holdings at this time is divided into three main categories. 68% of my investment now is in the Jamaica stock market, 70% is in the US stock market, and 15% is in cash or foreign currencies, or forex as we might call it. I currently own 7 stocks on the Jamaica Stock Exchange and 5 in the US market. And the 7 stocks that I own in Jamaica are listed on the screen right now. Starting with Barita Investment. This is a brokerage services company that I own since September last year, and I'm up 20% with these stocks. So not bad for a 4 months period. Number 2 on the list is PROVENJA Jamaica. This stock now, I own this stock in about 1 year and I'm down 18%. Wow, this stock is really undervalued in my opinion, but I'm just holding on. Number 3 is Fontana Pharmacy. I own this stock since March 2020, which is almost 2 years, and I'm up 50% on these stocks. Not bad for a 2-year holding. And Grace Kennedy. This stock, I actually have a story with this stock because I own it from it was about $58. I sold it when it was in the 70s and ended up bought it back near to $80. I'm up about nearly about 20% right now, and I expect to hold this stock a bit further because I think it still has a way to go. Separate, which is a large manufacturing and distribution company, I own this stock in about 1.5 years and I'm up 17%. My latest holdings on the Jamaica Stock Exchange was Per3 Jamaica, the latest IPO that everyone was talking about. That company, that food and sauce company, yes, that's the same company. But I only got a small portion, but nevertheless, just sold just now and got 150% return on that stock. I decided not to hold it any further. I think it is overvalued at this time. So I think, I just call it a day and sell that stock.
Sorry. You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
The cologne?
No.
Opportunity.
No. Money.
Oh, okay.
I smell money.
I own 5 stocks in the US stock market and they are listed on the screen right now. Number 1 is VOO, which is the Vanguard Exchange Traded Funds ETF. And basically this is a fund that mirrors the S&P 500, which is the 500 largest public traded companies in the US stock market. And this is a good way to mirror the entire market and to be kind of diversify. Number 2, I own Meta Platforms, aka Facebook, and I still believe that this is a great company that has a long way to grow in the future. Number 3, I own Alibaba, which is an internet and technology company. They do e-commerce and various other internet related businesses. And number 4, I own Store, which is a real estate trust. And number 5, I own Pfizer, which is an American multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company, the same company that make vaccine and other form of drugs. So that's it for my portfolio overall. And some persons might be wondering why I don't own more stocks, but true investors know that you don't need to own 100 stocks to really make a good return in the market. You just need to own 1 or 2 per year, add 1 or 2, and just continue watch the market. You don't need 100 stocks to make money. You just need a few stocks. So as a beginner investor, you can also just look at the companies that you use your daily products and all of that. My investment strategy for 2022 is to look into more opportunities on the US and Canadian market. And I'll be looking into industries such as artificial intelligence, cloud tech, e-commerce, and big data. And in addition to that, I'll be looking at some cryptocurrencies. I'm not a big fan of cryptocurrencies, but I might consider adding a small portion of my portfolio into cryptocurrencies. So that's it for my portfolio outlook for 2022. Thanks for watching. Share and like this video.